Give Gemini your passport and it'll book your flight for you. Could it be that easy? Let's break down Google's big AI makeover for Android. It's that time of year when Google unveils its latest Android refresh, and this update is going all in on Gemini. This new set of features is called Gemini Intelligence. That sounds a lot like Apple Intelligence, doesn't it? Google is pitching this as a more intuitive assistant that can do things you don't want to do. It can work across apps, so you don't have to pop into each one individually to get things done. For example, Google says if you're headed to an event and you need to find parking, you can ask Gemini to take care of it. It'll pull details from a Chrome page like the venue address, date, and time. Then it'll secure a nearby spot on an app like Spot Hero. All you have to do is click to confirm. In this other example, you can take a picture of a brochure and ask Gemini to find a tour on Expedia for a group of 6. That can save you from having to comb through all the options to find what you need. Gemini can even fill out online forms for you, like when you're booking a flight. It'll pull information stored in connected apps like Drive, including your driver's license or passport number. This feeds into a long-term vision that a lot of tech companies have pitched, where AI eventually replaces the apps on your phone. If a virtual agent can do whatever you need with a simple command, why have separate apps for everything? We're not there yet, but this feels like a step in that direction. There are other ways you can make Gemini useful on Android, like using it to build custom widgets. So if you're adjusting to a new place that uses a different temperature system than you're used to, you could have a widget that shows both Fahrenheit and Celsius side by side, for example. Here's a feature that might be helpful if you use speech to text on Gboard. It's called Rambler, and it'll convert your natural speech into more polished text. So it'll filter out self-corrections, repetitions, and filler words like If you're using voice dictation in a text and you say, can you get toast, cereal, and bananas? Actually, no bananas. It'll assume you don't want to dictate that last bit and will only add toast and cereal. Rambler can also switch between multiple languages within a single message, which reflects how a lot of us multilingual folk actually talk. Another update, emoji are getting a redesign to look more detailed and true to life, so your text messages can have a little extra flair. Another update can help your Instagram photos look better, so you'll be able to capture Ultra HDR photos in-app using your Android phone for more vibrant colors. You'll also get built-in video stabilization and sharper nighttime photos. Pictures you upload from your camera roll should also retain more of their original quality when you post on Instagram. And if you're using Instagram's Edits app on an Android phone, a new Smart Enhance feature can upscale photos and videos using AI. To remove distracting noises in your videos, sound separation will split audio tracks into categories like wind, noise, and music. Then you can remove what you don't want and boost the sounds that you want to keep. A new feature called Pause Point can help you curb your screen time. When you open an app you're trying to avoid, Pause Point will suggest other activities like doing a breathing exercise, reading an ebook, or swiping through your photos. You can turn this feature on or off whenever you need it. These Gemini Intelligence features will first arrive on Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel devices later this summer. Now, Google, of course, hasn't named the upcoming models that'll support these updates, but we know Samsung is expected to unveil the next generation of its foldables soon, and Google is also set to launch its next Pixel phones in the coming months. So we'll probably hear a lot more about this in the weeks ahead. But what do you think of these Gemini Intelligence features? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for more on all things mobile. Thanks for watching.